Here's the truth nobody wants to hear. Most side hustles fail because people chase whatever's trending instead of picking something with actual profit margins. I'm going to show you 5 side hustles right now that are genuinely making people money. And I'm talking real numbers, not theoretical garbage. These aren't passive income myths where you make money while you sleep on day one, but they are realistic ways to earn $5,000 per month once you actually put in the work. Let's start with freelance writing because it's probably the easiest way to start earning money this week. The barrier to entry is basically zero. You write, you get paid. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and specialized job boards are packed with clients desperate for content. Here's the real number. Beginners typically charge $20 to $50 per article. But once you build a portfolio and specialize, you're looking at $100 to $300 per piece. Someone I know personally transitioned from their day job to full-time freelance writing and now earns $4,500 monthly just by writing 4 articles per week for mid-tier publications. Number 2 is virtual bookkeeping, and this one's seriously underrated. Small business owners hate doing their own books. It's boring, it's tedious, and they'd rather pay someone to handle it. You don't need an accounting degree. Seriously, tools like QuickBooks and FreshBooks have made this accessible to anyone willing to learn. Most virtual bookkeepers start at $15 to $25 per hour, but experienced ones charge $50 to $100 hourly or $500 to $3,000 monthly retainers per client. The math here is beautiful. 3 to 4 retainer clients, and you're making $2,000 a month for roughly 10 hours of work weekly. Third, niche YouTube channels. Before you roll your eyes, hear me out. You don't need to be the next MrBeast. Create a channel in a specific niche, like productivity hacks, budget meal prep, personal finance tips, or hobby tutorials, and focus on building an actual community. YouTube monetization kicks in at 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, and once you hit that, you're earning money from ads. But here's where the real money comes: sponsorships and affiliate commissions. Someone running a side hustle YouTube channel about investing for beginners recently told me they make $200 monthly from AdSense alone on 45,000 subscribers, plus another $2,000 to $3,000 monthly from affiliate products and sponsorships. Number 4 is creating and selling digital products. Once you create it, you sell it infinitely. This could be an online course, a template bundle, a Notion dashboard, a Figma design kit, anything digital that solves a specific problem. The investment is your time up front, but virtually zero money. Sell it on Gumroad, Etsy, or your own website. The profit margins are insane because you're not manufacturing anything physical. Someone I follow created a budget templates for Excel product, charged $29, and within 8 months had made $18,000 in pure profit by selling it to 620 people. Finally, number 5. Social media management for small businesses. Local restaurants, fitness studios, real estate agents, and e-commerce shops desperately need someone to post content, engage with followers, and handle their online presence. Most of them have zero strategy and just want consistency. You can charge $300 to $1,500 per month per client, depending on what's included. Land 3 solid clients, and you're making $1,000 to $40 monthly for roughly 5 to 10 hours of work weekly. The barrier to entry is basically just proving you understand how to grow an account. Build a small proof-of-concept account yourself and use it as your portfolio. The actual secret here isn't which side hustle you pick. It's that you pick one and commit to it for at least 90 days before jumping to something else. Every single one of these takes time to build momentum. Most people quit after 2 weeks because they're not making 5,000s immediately. But if you actually stick with it, even spending just 10 to 15 hours weekly, you will see real money. Stop chasing the next shiny thing and start executing on something with real profit potential. That's how you go from broke to actually building financial freedom. If any of these side hustles resonated with you, hit that like button and subscribe for more real and actionable money strategies that don't waste your time. Let me know in the comments which one you're going to try first. And remember, this is general educational content about personal finance and making money. Always research thoroughly and make decisions based on your own circumstances. Good luck out there.